Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix hotspot not working on iPhone or not showing up on iPhone. The first thing I would recommend you do, once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select general. After selecting general, you're going to tap on software update and you want to update your iOS. So once you have updated your iPhone and it is now using the latest iOS, you are going to go back and you are going to check if your personal hotspot is now on. If it is still not working, you are going to open mobile data. Then from here, you are going to tap on mobile data network. And you want to check the information as you can see on my screen here if it is filled out. If you have doubts, what I would recommend you do is call your mobile provider. For example, my network is Digicel in the Caribbean. You would simply call your network provider and ask them for the information and they could quickly send it, and you would reset it to ensure that personal hotspot is available so they can enable it if anything. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and one of these tips were able to help you.